Then in Carolyn, it's taken more than 90 teachers in 3 weeks to get these iPads ready, but the iConnect team says everything's looking pretty good for Monday's pass out. $2.6 million and 7,000 iPads later, Dothan City Schools will be passing out iPads to their students starting Monday. But they've been preparing for this moment all summer long.
Each day we had anywhere from 5 to 10 members of each school come over and help us put the iPads, take the iPads out of the box, clean them, put them in the cases. So it was definitely a district initiative.
Ordering the iPads and putting them through an assembly line is the easy part. Okay, that's just the physical part of it, but the hard part was like coming up with all the policies and how things need to logistically go here or there, and how do you handle when something like this happens.
And in case something does happen, teachers have spent the last few months preparing. They attended mandatory staff development to learn more about their new learning tool.
This summer, we've had tons of professional development with teachers, okay, teaching them how to use workflow apps. And basically, these are apps that you can use in any content area. And we've trained 231 teachers, and that's the biggest. That was a total of 22 days of professional development. So that's the biggest professional development initiative kind of thing that we've ever done here.
The iPad rollout will begin on Monday with Dothan High School 9th and 10th graders, and then next week beginning with Northview High School. The school system is working their way down from high schools to middle schools to each elementary school.
I am truly excited to see the excitement of the students, and I hope to be able to walk through the schools and look in the classrooms and really see students engaged and really excited about learning. So.
Jacob says she has her fingers crossed everything goes according to plan, and if so, by mid-September every student should have their iPad. Each student will be charged a $30 user fee when they pick up their iPad, and before they can take it home, they'll have to attend a few short workshops covering the basics. For more information on the iPad One-to-One initiative, you can visit the Dothan City Schools website. Live from the studio, I'm Brianna Bars, WDHN News.